continuation of Man in Search of Man series. Presently I am in Gujarat state in search of the 5 primitive tribes who are inhabiting in Gujarat state. Gujarat is a very big state. The tribes are distributed widely entire state. Traveling and reaching the tribes, identifying the tribes, who is a primitive tribe is also very difficult. I came here, I have approached the director of the Tribal Research Institute. He helped me and he has given me Raju Bhai to take his help in identifying and to go for the... I had the opportunity to work among the Siddhis of both Gujarat and Karnataka state. Constitutionally, the Siddhis of Gujarat are considered as particularly vulnerable tribes, whereas the Siddhis of Karnataka considered as scheduled tribes of India. The present series, Man in Search of Man, deals with the particularly vulnerable tribes. So, it has been chosen the Siddhis of Gujarat for present research documentation film. Of course, wherever it is required, the Karnataka Siddhis also discussed. A systematic anthropological research methodology was adopted in filming the ethnographic documents on Siddhi tribe. I have made several visits. Among them, 3 are very important trips. In the first trip, I have identified the tribes where the Siddhis are distributed and the core areas of the villages where they are inhabiting. It took more than 1.5 months for identifying the villages of the 5 primitive tribes, including Siddhis. In the second visit, I have visited the villages, established the contact with the key informants. Arrangements were made for documentation of the film and enactment also. This is a very important methodology for a collection of the data and writing the ethnographic note on the film. I have completed the ethnographic note on each tribe of Gujarat in 3 months' time. It is an exhaustive ethnographic report I have prepared on the Siddhi tribe, but it has been condensed from 4 hours film to 45 minutes film. In the third visit, the film documentation was started among the Siddhis and slowly it went on to the other tribes also over a period of time. It took almost a year to document all the primitive tribes of Gujarat. The Siddhi or Shidi or Habshi are said to have first arrived on the Indian subcontinent around 628 AD at the Bridgeport. Siddhis are believed to be descendants of traders, sailors, soldiers, servants and merchants of East Africa. The wave of migration is said to have lasted between the 12th and 19th centuries. The Arabic religious and or aristocratic title Sayyid or Sayyid is usually given as the etymology of the synonym Siddhi, 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 Sidi or Shidi. Apart from the cultural and historical studies conducted by various scholars on the migration of Siddhi tribe, we have also certain studies conducted by various biological scientists on genome studies. The important studies are the genomic study conducted by people of India, genomic diversity by Professor Ramasamy Pichayappan and others. The second one is people of India, genomic diversity by Anisha and others. And the third one is unraveling the population of history, Indian Siddhis by Ranjit Das and others. These studies gives us lot of information on genetic diversity of Siddhi population and their migration. The genome-wide survey to understand the population history of the Siddhis using hundreds of thousands of autosomal markers, we show that They have inherited ancestry from Africans, Indians, and possibly by Europeans, Portuguese. Additionally, analysis of the uniparental Y chromosomal and mitochondrial DNA markers indicate that the Siddhis trace their ancestry to Bantu speakers from sub-Saharan Africa. We estimate that the admixture between the African ancestors of the Siddhis and neighbors South African groups probably occurred in the past 8 generations, that is, minus 200 years ago, consistent with historical records. Migration history of the Siddhis. Dotted arrows represent the expansion of the Bantu speakers with agriculture within Africa. Agriculture in Africa started from the central western part of the continent and proceeded towards the east and south of the subcontinent. The shaded grey area represents the Portuguese territory, and the lines between the Africa and India represents the path that the Portuguese might have used during the 15th and 19th centuries to supply African slaves to Indian rulers on the western coast of India. I think we have two important people who is originated from Africa, came all over from there and settled here. They are working for the Siddhis upliftment. What is your name, please?
My name is Nazir.
Nazir. His name is Nazir.
I'm Wahidesh Makwa.
Wahidesh Mukhar. Makwa. So, can you tell about what you understand about Siddhi?
We are migrated to Africa at 750 years ago.
Okay.
And settled at this here's a coastal part. Like
the Siddhi tribe are inhabiting in 28 villages in around Gir National Park, which is around 350 kilometers from Ahmedabad. Gir Forest Reserve was created in 1913 with a total area of 1412 square kilometers to protect the Asiatic lions and was accorded sanctuary status in 1965. Several hundred Asiatic lions have been bred in the sanctuary since it was established. The establishment of Asiatic Lions Reserve forced the Siddhis to move from the Gir National Park to peripheries of the National Park. As a result, they have moved to the peripheries of Gir National Park and living in 28 villages. The first documented record of Siddhis in India dates back to 1100 AD when the Siddhis settled in western India. By the 13th century, substantial numbers of Siddhis were being imported by the Nawabs and therefore the Sultans of the India to function soldiers and slaves. The Siddhi tribe in India is one of the most unique cultures living in India today. Today, they exist as an ethnic group living in Gujarat and Karnataka states and other parts of India. In Gujarat, the Siddhis are considered as particularly vulnerable tribal group, whereas in Karnataka, they are considered as a tribe. Now we are traveling in Gir National Park to reach the settlements of the Siddhi population. The Gir National Park is a beautiful park where Asiatic lions are inhabiting. The park is rich in flora and fauna, and there are many endangered species are available in this Gir National Park. Once the Siddhi population were inhabiting in the deep jungle and coexisted with the Gir National Park for centuries. After establishment of the Asiatic Lion Park, they have been rehabilitated in the peripheries of the Gir National Park. As a result, they lost their substance of economy and water resources for their livelihood. In search of Siddhi Aboriginal population, we are now in Muruka village, who is the Mohalla chief of these Siddhi people, who knows about the Siddhi population from last 3 generations. He is the only person who knows about something about the history and also the population here, Siddhis, and how they have migrated, what is their problems, and how they are surviving in the 28 villages. आप कहाँ से आए थे? क्या
साहेब दिल्ली अकबर बादशाह,
अकबर बादशाह,
दिल्ली अकबर बादशाह, પછી અમદાવાદ એમન શાહ બાદશાહ,
अच्छा अमन शाह बादशाह,
એમન શાહ બાદશાહ, પછી જુનાગઢ શાહ નવાબ, બરાબર. તો નવાબ સાહેબ आफ्रिकाમાંથી અમને લઈ આવ્યા હતા.
अच्छा यहाँ
जूनागढ़
से आपको लेके आया,
अफ्रीका से लेके आया. आज ही गिर से साहेब ये गिर बहु गिर थे अंदर, खेती नहोती, ગામ નહોતા. ત્યારે આ ગીરને કાપવા, જંગલને કાપવા માટે અમારા ગલધેરાવને આફ્રિકામાંથી શાહ નવાબ અહીંયા ઉતાર્યા હતા ને આ ગીરને સાહેબ શેડે પુગાડી દીધી ને આ જમીન જાગીરું કાઢ્યું. પછી આ બીજા તો બધા સાહેબ તૈયાર માથે આવ્યા. તો ગાંધીજી બાપુ હતા ને નવાબ સાહેબે, ગાંધીજી બાપુજી હતા ત્યારે એ અગાઉના રાજા હતા ને સાહેબ, આમ પબ્લિક પાસે જોતા હતા કે ક્યાંય રેત દુખી. એટલે આ નવાબ સાહેબે કરજમાં હિન્દુસ્તાનની ગાદી કરજમાં ગયેલી છે, કરજમાં. એટલે એમ કીધું, નાણાવાળા બહુ હતા મેમણું લોકો, કે ભાઈ જો તમે આ જો કદાચ ને મને કઈ મદદ કરો તો આપણું આમને રહી જાય. તો કે ભાઈ કાલ કરતા આજ ભલે જુનાગઢ હાલી નીકળો, અકડી નહીં સદા. તેથી સાહેબ દેગું ભર્યું હતું રાણી શિકારીઓ મેમણું પાસે, રાણી શિકારીઓ દેગું ભર્યું હતું, પણ એને કઈ મદદ ન કરી. એટલે શાહ નવાબ સાહેબ ને પાકિસ્તાન વહી જવું પડ્યું.
The conditions of living of Siddhis are very poor. Even today, they are living in the mud houses, which you can observe here. The walls are constructed with mud and stones, and some of the houses are thatched huts, and few of them are made with the tiles, which you can observe here. The streets are very narrow, and most of the houses are stone constructions. They have started the domestication of animals. Some of the houses, they have their animal husbandry along with the houses where they are residing. It is very pathetic conditions they are living. Few houses which you can observe here constructed with the cement bricks, and most of them are stone construction. And asbestos sheets also you can observe here. The conditions of the streets are very poor. You can see the drainage in midst of the street is going, and many of them are suffering with different kind of infections and diseases. Very poor, and they are not able to get a full meal a day, which you can see here. They are living in a pathetic conditions. Some of them are living in worst conditions, and they are not able to get a meal a day. That is the conditions. She is expressing her problems and issues. Some of them are having a smoking habit. You can see here the woman is smoking, and betel nut chewing is exists among them. Women and men both consume alcohol. They play cards at leisure time. The boys and the men wear t-shirts, pant and shirts. Sometimes they will wear the lungis, which you can observe here. It is observed from this Siddhi population. They are very, very interested in beautification, which you can observe here. This is one of the occasion where I participated for the marriage. In the marriage, I have observed different type of hairstyles, eyebrows making, dress, jewelry, which you can observe here. It is almost competing with the plain population who are rich, but these are all different kind of duplicate jewelry they are wearing. And also we can find the hairstyles. They are having an interest in hairstyling and making themselves beautiful. You can see here is a Kohinoor diamond. I have observed these type of beautiful girls not only in Siddhi population, in majority of the Aboriginal population in India. We have to bring them into the mainstream of the society. I had the opportunity to interact with these people and find out how they have been adopted such a rich culture as though they are daily wage workers working in forest and agricultural fields. The women especially accumulate the money from their earnings and purchases these type of jewelry and dress materials which will be useful to wear in the ceremonial and functional days, which is exhibits a rich cultural heritage of Siddhi population.
इसका आपका सिद्धि में कोई गोत्र का ऐसा डिविजन्स कुछ है क्या?
गोत्र मंगरा घेरा,
मंगरा गिरा, गिरा, मजगुल
सफर घेरा, मजगुल सफर घेरा, सफर गिरा,
और
जमरुक घेरा, मजगुल जमरुक घेरा,
जमरुक गिरा. ये 1 2 3 है.
तीन आती है, तीन अलग अलग,
तीन मेन डिवीजन है सिद्धि में. वही मैं पूछ. मगजुल, in Magzul we have the Mongra, Safar and Jamprat. These are the three comes under the Mangdul. Then we have Makwana, Chotiyara, Dajjada, Chowat, Jarjada, Balia, Muria, Belima, Musaria, Mori, Wagriya, Bagaiya, Vasanga, Parmar, Saili, Sirumon, Bajrani, Raika. These are the some of the clans exist among these tribes. These tribes are exogamous groups. They won't marry within the clans, but nowadays, according to her, she is telling that nowadays the children, they are going for the marriage within the clan also. आपने बोल रहा था ना, इसी यही सरनेम में भी शादी कर रहा है. क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? किस लिए हो रहा है? पहले तो नहीं होता था ना.
वो उसको लव हो जाता है ना, इसमें शादी करना पड़ता है.
वो लव करने के लिए भी वो नहीं सोचता है ये भाई बहन का गोत्र, भाई बहन का
नहीं, अभी ऐसा नहीं सोच रहा.
क्यों?
अभी तो कितना शादी हो गया है जाम्बुर में. अभी एक लड़की ने शादी किया उसका काका के साथ, अंकल के साथ किया. अभी वो लड़का आर्मी में है ना, अभी वो दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं दोनों. अभी शादी में यहाँ पे आए.
काका होता है मदर्स ब्रदर.
उसका बहन है ना, उसका अंकल के साथ शादी किया है.
अंकल का मतलब क्या है?
नहीं, वो कुटुंब अलग से होते हैं.
छोटियारा से
भले वही पर अलग से हो.
The concept of family has been found to exist since time immemorial on at all levels of culture. In Siddhi society, father is the head of the family. Descent is patrilineal or agnatic descent. Inheritance of property is also through male line. The rule of residence is patrilocal. Traditionally, joint families were common, but nowadays nuclear families are predominant among the Siddhi community. All the sons share the father's property equally, that is, male equigeniture exists among them. Monogamy is a rule, but polygyny is also observed in many of the families. So one can notice polygynous families along with the monogamous families among the Siddhi community. The father or eldest male member enjoys the authority. Full authority vests in the hands of the male member.
प्रेग्नेंट का आपका भाषा में क्या बोलता है?
बेजूसा. बेजूसी
बेजूसी
वाली, 2 जीव वाली, 1 जीव ने बेजीव।
बेजू वाली। The pregnant woman is called as बेजूसी। बेजूसी होने के टाइम में कुछ फंक्शन करता है क्या?
हाँ, फंक्शन करता है।
क्या करता है?
और खोरो भरने के लिए आते ने तो नारियल ने वो खिचड़ी,
फंक्शन का नाम क्या बोलते हैं?
गोद भराई।
गोद भराई इज द फंक्शन प्रेगनेंसी। कौन सा महीने में करता है वो?
7वें महीने।
7th month they will be performing a ceremony is called as गोद भर। उसमें क्या क्या करता है बोलो?
उसमें सब आएंगे ने खोले में सब डालेंगे, नारियल ने सब, हाँ खाना पीना सब करके ले जाएंगे।
वो कहाँ लेके जाएंगे?
माउतर में ले जाएंगे डिलीवरी के लिए।
डिलीवरी के वहाँ लेके जाएंगे। वहाँ डिलीवरी कौन करता है?
डिलीवरी
डॉक्टर करेगा, आपका आया करेगा?
डॉक्टर पहले तो यहाँ आया करता था, अभी तो सब दवाखाने चली जाती है।
दवाखाना तो जाता है, दवाखाने में भी आपका आया साथ में जाता है?
साथ में जाएगा।
साथ में जाकर वहाँ भी आपका आया करता है। डॉक्टर तो नहीं करता है, आया करेगा। आया डिलीवरी
जो ज्यादा कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ ना तो डॉक्टर भी करता है, ज्यादा
प्रॉब्लम होने से।
हाँ, प्रॉब्लम होने से। लेकिन प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता जब तो घर से ही हो जाती है।
अच्छा, घर से ही हो जाती है, विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम। घर में भी हो जाती है।
घर में भी हो जाती है।
आप कुछ फंक्शन करता है उसका घर में लेने की,
उसको
छठी करता है ना?
छठी कर दे। 5 जो लड़का आता है ना तो उसके 5वें दिन छठी होती है, तो उसको थारी उगाते, फिर पेंडा बांटते, सब कुछ ऐसी खुशियाँ सब बांटते।
कपड़े देने का, गिफ्ट देने की बच्चे
को गिफ्ट देते। सो नामकरण होता है ना? नामकरण तो करता है ना? उसका क्या बोलता है?
नामकरण के दिन,
छठी के दिन। अच्छा, उसमें क्या
फूफी नामकरण जो मेरे में होती है तो उसकी फूफी करती है।
अच्छा, कौन सा नाम रखता है?
नाम तो बहुत अच्छा, जो फाल खोलाते हैं हमारे इस्लाम का जो फाल आते हैं, दिन का जो फाल खोलवाते हैं, उसमें से फाल खोल के जो फाल में नाम आते हो, मोहम्मद रफीक, मोहम्मद रसूल, और बस अलाउद।
Shiyani are also called as Dai. Now we have Shiyani here, Dai, who conducts the deliveries among the Siddhi people. Even if they are going for hospitals, she will go along with them for conducting delivery in the hospitals. Only in emergency cases where the problem is more, at that time only doctor will attend for the deliveries. Otherwise, she will be conducting the deliveries. Now we will find out her how she is conducting the delivery. उसको कैसा डिलीवरी करता है?
તમે ડિલિવરી કેવી રીતે કરાવો? હિસાબને ગુજરાતીમાં કયો એમ? ડિલિવરી એ મારે મગજથી અમે કરાવીએ ડિલિવરી. માનથી એટલે દુખાવો ઉપડે બસ. હા એમ. દુખાવો પહેલા ઉપડે, દુખાવો ઉપડે. પછી બાળકની એડ્રેસ આવી જાય, પછી આમ કરીએ એટલે
आप ऐसा पकड़ने से कितना महीने में है मालूम हो जाता है उसको?
हाँ हाँ। કેટલા મહિનામાં તમે આમ 7 મહિના હોય તો ખબર પડે ને? હાથ મૂકે ને તો ખબર પડી જાય કે એટલા જ મહિના. 7 મહિના હોય ને ઊંધું હોય તો મને ખબર પડી જાય. बालक उल्टा होता है तो भी वो मालूम हो जाता है कितने महीने का हुआ है, याद रख के वो बोल सकती है।
बोल सकता है। So it is entire stomach is shaking.
पेट का खेल।
प्रेसिंग पीछे से भी। अच्छा, हाँ।
कमर में
और नीचे?
नीचे आ जाए।
नीचे पीछे से भी आप ऐसा करेगा? पीछे कैसा करेगा? पीछे ओ यहाँ मारेगा? मारो। अच्छा, इजी से निकल जाएगा। पहले so she is the lady, she is working for the entire Siddhi community here, not only in the village but also in the forest villages. She is going and conducting the deliveries. She is a great lady. Still so far more than 25-30 years she is conducting the deliveries for the Siddhi people. None of the child has died, none of the woman mother has died. She is the greatest woman. She says that she won't take any money. If they will voluntarily give, she will be taking. Otherwise she won't ask any kind of money or any kind of gifts from the delivery family. So I request the Government of India and the policy makers and Indian Council of Medical Research, Health Ministry to look into these kind of guys who is conducting delivery without any difficulty, serving the nation. She herself is more than 10 hospitals. Her hands, she has conducted thousands of deliveries.
her hands has conducted thousands of deliveries without any problem. She is one of the greatest lady. I have introduced her in many tribal communities, entire India, guys, how they are conducting among the Padar, among the many societies, they are doing it. They should be recognized. And she is not having any kind of resource for income generation for their survival. The government should give her some pension or like some incentive should be provided for her whenever she conducts the delivery. Some token of amount should be given by the government so that her livelihood, it will be happy and she can able to serve the society.
Siddhi follow different forms of marriages: arranged marriage, love marriage, elopement, or some of the forms of marriage. Among them, arranged marriage by the elders is familiar and accepted forms of marriage, which you can observe here, and they have to pay heavy amount of bride price to the bride.
अगमोली देता है। हाँ। अगमोली में क्या क्या देता है? ओ पैसा 3,000
और इसके घराने देते हैं सब।
अच्छा, गले का चेन और इयररिंग, कंकर, लक के बाद सभी। कपड़ा भी आता है, कपड़ा भी देता है ना। दारू नहीं देता। दारू नहीं आता। अच्छा, मिठाई।
Arranged marriage is an elaborate ritual which you can observe here. The bride and bridegroom will be decorated with flowers and there will be a reception and the bride will be given warm welcome and all the expenses will be met by the bridegroom family and also bride's family. The nikah or the marriage registration will be done by the mullah, which you can observe here. The bride has to sign and also the bridegroom has to sign the document. Here you can observe the payment of the bride price 3,000 rupees has to be paid to the bride before marriage taking place or before she is signing the document of acceptance of the marriage. So it is a customary that payment of the bride price and giving both kind and cash is necessary for them. After the signature of both bride and bridegroom in the document, the Molvi announces that the bride and bridegroom names, they are legally married and they can live together. That is marks the end of the marriage. And it follows the music, dance and a feast of non-vegetarian.
Today I am in Jambur village, which you can see here. I came here for a marriage function. Here today there is a marriage function among the Siddhis, which you can see here. They have prepared the feast. So there is a non-veg biryani. सभी बिरयानी. कितना लोगों को आप लोग खिलाएगा? 100 लोगों का. हाँ? 100 लोगों का. So 1,000 people they are going to give the feast of biryani. मर जाता है ना आदमी और औरत कोई भी मर जाने के डेड बॉडी को क्या बोलता है आप लोग? मयत. डेड बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एज मयत. जब वो देखो औरत का आदमी का कोई डिफरेंस होता है क्या? वो दफन करने के लिए डिफरेंस होता है, एक ही तरह का करता है?
एक ही तरह का दोनों का होता है।
वो कैसा दफन करता है वो पहले से बोलो। आदमी एक आदमी मर गया, तो औरत मर गया, उसको कैसा दफन करता है बोलो?
फिर उसको मर गया ने बाद में उसको नलाते हैं।
अच्छा,
नलाने के बाद वो कफन पहनाते हैं, कपड़ा आता है ना व्हाइट, वो पहनाते हैं। उसके बाद अत्तर ने सब लगाते हैं, फिर वहाँ पे रखते हैं। फिर सब सगे संबंधी सब लोबान रखते हैं बाजू में जाके, फिर ले जाते हैं दफनाने के लिए।
दफन कहाँ आपका?
हाँ, यहाँ पे है
आपका दफन की जगह है?
हाँ, जगह यहीं पे ही है। वो है ना उसके
जो मेरी दरगाह है ना
वही हमारा ही है सबका।
अच्छा, सबका है।
हाँ।
तो दफन करने के बाद आप सब लोग घर आ जाता है ना?
हाँ।
घर आकर घर में कुछ उस शाम को कुछ करता है फंक्शन?
नहीं, वो जाएगा ना घर से बाहर तो घर पूरा धो देंगे एकदम साफ कर देने का हो गया। फिर बाद में आएंगे तो फिर आके ने सबके घर पे चले जाएंगे। फिर रोजा फिर 3 दिन बाद फिर रोजा खोनाएंगे, टिफिन लेके आने का खाने के लिए। फिर 3 दिन बाद
घर वालों को खिलाने
खाना होगा, वो दाड़ा होता है ना वो सबको नात को खिलाने का।
ज़ियारत बोले हमारे 3 दिन में
ज़ियारत बोलते हैं। ज़ियारत में क्या क्या करता है?
ज़ियारत में सब आते हैं,
फंड लिखाते हैं। ज़ियारत में सब आते हैं,
भैंस काट देंगे, भैंस
बफेला।
अच्छा, बफेला देवे काटे बफेला
को बना देंगे,
बिरयानी बना देंगे।
एक बफेलो चाहिए, एक आदमी मरेगा तो एक बफेलो चाहिए, बफेलो सबको खिला देंगे।
बिरयानी
करके खिला देते हैं। फिर वो लोग कोई आते हैं, नाम के सब नाम आते हैं, सब लोग आते हैं, फंड लिखाते हैं वो लोग। कोई 50 रुपया लिखवाते हैं, कोई 20 रुपया लिखवाते हैं, कोई 100 रुपया लिखवाते हैं, सब फंड लिखवाते हैं सब। उसको कड़वी हंडी बोलते हैं मेरे में।
अच्छा, वो गिफ्ट देता है कड़वी हंडी बोलता है। कड़वी हंडी देता है। सो कड़वी हंडी शादी में भी देता है, वो नामकरण में भी देता है, अभी भी डेथ में भी देता है कड़वी हंडी। सब में कड़वी हंडी देता है।
पैसा देगा सब में, खाने का पकेगा सब पैसा लिखवाएगा।
अच्छा,
मुफ्त में लिखाएगा। 6 महीने में कर लेगा।
6 months so the widow and widow remarriage is allowed, it is free within 6 months 6 months after they can go for a remarriage।
6 महीने का
बाद।
लेकिन औरत नहीं।
औरत नहीं औरत शादी नहीं कर सकता।
औरत शादी क्या थी करिए? औरत ने छोकरा हो ना बच्चा हो देना, बच्चा ने क्या मुकवा जाए?
वो क्यों आदमी करना है, औरत क्यों नहीं करना है?
आदमी
मन होगा तो कर लेगी।
नहीं, आलो करता है ना,
करता है। आलो शादी नहीं करेगा, निकाह करेगा।
मोदी करेगा, सिंपल फंक्शन करेगा, सिंपल में निकाह करेकर शादी कर लेगा ना।
ठीक है,
निकाह, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज निकाह। दे विल बी साइनिंग एंड दे विल बी गेटिंग मैरिज। दैट इज द प्रैक्टिस एग्जिस्टिंग अमंग दीज पीपल।
2-3 वो रख सकते हैं वो लेडीज भाई,
2-3 शादियाँ एक साथ कर सकता है। ऐसे
3 भी रख सकते हैं।
हाँ, ये
भी रख सकते हैं।
3 भी होती है, 2 होती है।
अच्छा,
2 है, 3 है।
वो पुरुष का बंधन नहीं है, लड़की का बंधन है, लेकिन पुरुष का बंधन नहीं है।
सो पॉलीगाइन एग्जिस्ट अमंग क्या बोलते हैं? वो कुछ बोल
मेरा घर वाले के लिए 3
She is telling she is a third wife for his husband। अब दोनों औरत भी साथ में है?
नहीं, अभी साथ में नहीं है। एक पहले वाली ने लव मैरिज कर लिया।
अच्छा, चले गए। और सेकंड वन
एक है, दूसरी वो
भी चले गए,
वो भी चली गई।
आप थर्ड वन।
आप
उसके साथ आप पैसा कमा रहे हैं, इसके साथ रखा है।
इसके लिए रखा है, मेरे को बोल दिया कि कमाती है ना, इसके लिए रखा है, बाकी जाओ रजा।
So they have the polygamy exist among these people. Men can go for any number of wives, and women is not allowed to more than औरत को ऐसा परमिशन नहीं है।
परमिशन नहीं है।
फॉरेस्ट आपने बताओ, आप कौन सा देवी देवता गॉड को पूजा करता है वहाँ से?
सिपीर, माई सब माँ, आई पासा माँ, बाबा गो, हनुमान बापा, खोड़ियाल माँ।
सो इसी में आप मस्जिद में भी आप क्या बोलता है?
मस्जिद में औरत नहीं जा सकती।
मस्जिद में नमाज होती है, नमाज
करना। आप नाम बोला है ना, इसमें थोड़ी हनुमान और हिंदू गॉड्स भी है ना?
हिंदू भी है, दोनों मिक्स में है, हिंदू और मुसलमान का देव दोनों मिक्स में।
उसका नाम, हिंदू का नाम बताओ, मुसलमान का देवता अलग से बताओ।
हनुमान बापा, खोड़ियाल माँ, मेलड़ी माँ,
मेलड़ी माँ
बेन। हाँ।
और मुस्लिम का देवता का नाम?
अब्बस पीर, नगासी पीर, माईसाब माँ, आर पारसा माँ, बाबा घोड़।
अच्छा, ये देवता को आप पूजा करता है?
पूजा करिए हमें, पूजा करिए ना, अल्लाह की नमाज करिए हमें।
अच्छा, ये हिंदू का देवता आपको मैंने सुना है आप राजा राजी के पास आप काम कर रहे थे, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बोल सकता है आप कहाँ से राजा रानी के पास आप?
वो जूनागढ़ में कर रहा था सब, वो सीधी भाई है ना वो राजा के साथ थे, उसके पप्पा थे ना वो, तो उनके साथ ही रहते थे। फिर वो खाते थे ना, वो थाली में वो खा के उठ जाएंगे ना, बाद में वो खाएंगे। अच्छा। वो थाली में ही खाएंगे ने, उसके साथ ही रहते थे ने सब, फिर वहाँ पे ही मर गए उसके साथ ही।
अच्छा।
हाँ, मेला बड़ा मेला होगा। फिर खाना भी पकेगा ने, सब पूजा पाठ सब होगा।
सब लोग एक ही बार
साल में एक बार बड़ा पूजा होता है।
साल में एक बार 50 डेग बिरयानी बनाते,
50 डेग बनता है
रजब महीने में।
50 डेग, 10 बफेलो काटेंगे, 10 बफेलो, 15 बफेलो हो जाएगा काट कर खाने का सब लोग का।
उसी दिन देवी देवता को पूजा करेगा,
उसी दिन। फिर वो धमाल होती है, तब वो बकरा चढ़ाते काटते।
दिस इज कोडियारम देवता ना? देवता आप लोग पूजा करता है? The Siddhi people worship this Kodiyaram god. It is belong to God, Hindu god. You can see here, it's full and is like Shakti. These people are worshipping the Shakti goddess. Which you can see here, they are breaking the coconuts, incense sticks, camphor, all these things they will be doing, worshipping the god. So you can see this among these people, both Islamic and Hindu culture among these people. This may be the influence of the Maharajas, who were these people were with the Maharajas. Under his influence, they might have adopted these Hindu gods for worshipping. It is also one of the important characteristics which are among these people. So here, both Hindus and Muslims living together without any discrimination or without any differences. That is what which we are observing from this Siddhi population. They have mixed up with the local people. They are not discriminating among them. They belong to different racial group or different population, migrated from different continents. But all the people are united together and coexisting with the local people and also coexisting with the forest environment. That is a very important one which you have to observe. So these people are surviving because of assimilation is the more important for survival.
Traditionally, the Siddhis are food gatherers and hunters living in the forest in Africa. They have been brought to the Gir forest to extract the wood. But even after settling as daily wage laborers, they are not able to forget about their way of life, which you can observe here. The women, generally they will go to the forest daily and collect the fruits, roots and tubers, and they will be sustaining on their livelihood even today.
आपका सिद्धि लोगों का कितना गांव है
यहाँ सिद्धि लोगों का 28 गांव है।
28 का मतलब 28 villages are there for Siddhis. कितना पॉपुलेशन होगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली? कितना पॉपुलेशन? 7,000
नहीं 10,000
10,000 लोग क्या क्या काम करता है?
सब छुट्टी मजूरी।
ऑल पीपल, कोई किसी को लैंड नहीं है।
नौकरी करे गणेला वही नौकरी करे।
10% नौकरी है।
10% नौकरी करते हैं। Only 10 people 10% करते हैं। 10% are working.
ये बड़ी आर्मी में अच्छे फौजी,
आर्मी फौज।
अच्छा,
SRP।
वो मैंने सुना वो गिर फॉरेस्ट में भी गाइड का माफिक काम कर रहा है।
हाँ, उसमें 3-4 लोग, 3-4 लोग,
ज्यादा नहीं। Only 3 or 4 people are working in the Gir forest as a guide. They have a very good 2 buffaloes they are having, and 2 liters in the morning, 2 liters in the evening. They are giving total 8 liters milk they are getting, and it is a good substitute for their economic status. women empowerment, women taking care of these animals. So this is one of the way how you can able to develop for the tribal development. They can able to live, they can able to sustain their livelihood. That is why propose that buffaloes can be given to all the families so that their economic status can be improved.
Dance and music are integral to the Siddhi cultural identity. They are widely known for their expressive dance from Siddhi Dhamal, which portrays their community life. Dhamal was originally performed as a celebratory dance when members of the community returned from successful hunt. Today the Siddhis dance on any occasion. They also sing dance to cheer themselves up following the marriage, puberty, religious ceremonies. Nowadays they are performing the Dhamal dance in tribal cultural festivals and Republic Day parades. Most of the songs and dances are concerned with the nature associated with the animal behavior. They act like a monkey, tiger, peacock, wild boar, deer, etc., which you can see now. The Siddhi of Karnataka performing traditional way of Dhamal dance. Apart from their animal behavior, the Siddhi of Gujarat are performing the dance without costumes, while the Siddhi of Karnataka are performing in costumes. These two elaborate dances are available in my YouTube channel. This song and dance narrates that how a young married couple has to live happily. This song narrates that a young man went to a city for earning the money, and he found different problems in the city. Finally, he came back to his forest, and he says that forest is the better place for me for living. A song and a dance sequence which indicates their way of life, economy, health, and cultural way of life.
ಔಷಧಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಂಡು ಹುಡುಗರು ಸರಾಯಿ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ರು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಸುವ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು.
The songs and dances are performed on the festive days, which glorifies the cultural heritage of Siddhi tribe.
शेर का बच्चा सिद्धि का बराबर ಅವನು ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಕಾಡನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯನ್ನ ಹೋಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಿಂಹಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಲಿಗೆ ಸರಿಸಮ, ಹುಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಸರಿಸಮ.
The cultural heritage of Siddhi says that a Siddhi is a lion and lion is a Siddhi, that they are more powerful than a lion. They lived with the lions, they inhabited in the lion places of Gir National Park.
We should know about the problems and issues, what kind of development they need, how it can be developed. That is why we call it anthropological emic perceptions. So if you have the emic perception, definitely these tribal people can be developed. The policies developed through the way of emic perception will be successful. Or otherwise, an outsider without understanding any policy or any kind of culture about the tribes, if you implement, it will be a totally
पट्टा नहीं.
So
रहने के लिए बस ये बनाया, सरकार की जगह है. सरकार की जगह पर पट्टा नहीं है अभी, कोई को लेख नहीं है, कोई दस्तावेज नहीं है, ये सरकार की जगह है.
So this is one of the important thing, not only among the Siddhi tribal population, everywhere in the India among the tribals the same situation, as though they are living from ages that doesn't have the pattas for their households. This is the problem which they are facing. Actually what she is telling, they were Gir forest, they are living happily. By push and pull theory that has been applied, they have been slowly thrown out from the jungle, and present day they came here. Now they are facing the survival problem. There is a scarcity of land here, and the land where they are staying is a Parumbok, that is a government land, and many of them doesn't possess pattas for their houses. So if they are not given the pattas for their houses, in future what will be their conditions? There will be a threat for them, and they are also telling there is going to be a threat because the cost of land is increasing, and the people, landlords and the caste population, at any time they may come here and they may ask us to vacate, and they will get the pattas in their name and they will ask us to vacate. This is the conditions of these vulnerable populations. Until unless we have to take certain decisions, the people who are inhabiting, they are constructed the house where they are staying, that houses pattas should be given immediately entire India. Wherever they are living, patta should be given. Whether it is a Parumbok land, patta land, land of others, whosoever it may be, invariably a parliament act should be brought within no time, within immediately all the primitive tribes should be given patta lands and patta houses. The forest policy exists. We have passed the forest policy, but till to date he is telling they has given any kind of land, not even 1 cent of land for the agriculture purposes. You have seen that they have the cow loans, people are going for the cow and buffalo loans, but there is no fodder for them to feed the animals. They are requesting at least they can give a piece of land so that they can grow the fodder for the livestock and they can sustain for their livelihood. These are some of the issues which they are requesting the government to solve immediately without any.
The Siddhis are facing several problems. The displacement of Siddhis from the Gir National Park brought several changes in their way of life. The subsistence of economy, health, agriculture, availability of water resources also changed their way of life. Many of them became daily wage laborers, agricultural laborers. The poverty has increased to a great extent. It is observed many families not able to get a meal in a day. They are facing the food problems, clothing and sanitization problems. The decrease in the female size population also brought several demographic changes and marriage pattern. Nowadays, they are marrying within the clan itself. There are instances the girl has married his own father's younger brother. So inbreeding has started. There is going to be a health problems in future for the Siddhi tribe. The impact of urbanization, industrialization, acculturation and modernization can be observed among the Siddhis of Gujarat state. The change in the physical features, dress and way of life has changed to a great extent among the Siddhis of Gujarat state. The difference between Siddhis of Karnataka and Gujarat can be observed based on the physical features. The Siddhi of Karnataka still having different cultural identity because they are not exposed to the outside world like the Gujarat Siddhi tribe. An action plan is necessary for the sustainable development of the Siddhi population in both the states, that is in Karnataka and also Gujarat, to enhance and develop their economy, education, health and basic infrastructure facilities. I submit this document film for the Government of India and the state government and the policy makers to consider and to take action for the conservation of the important tribe, the Siddhi population.
You have kept any name for this club?
No, I only choreograph this party.
Some name should be given for this, you know. This madam or this madam?
Yeah.
Which madam? We have to, उसका नाम एक रख दो इसका. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for बहुत अच्छा था यार.
गले मिलेंगे. इसके तो
Very nice. I will call you. Meet you. We will see. We will meet. She is the real helper for us. Without herself, it would have not been possible for me to make this ethnic vision for the people of India. I thank again for your love and affection and help for this. Thank you.